It's a new 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. It comes with great features you'll love: steering assist cruise control, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, inductive device charging, external memory control, metallic paint, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.